I'm waiting for my appointment in Juarez through my spouse. I just filed for divorce. So if you have a marriage-based application, right? If you have a marriage-based application through an extreme hardship waiver, and this is all dependent on your spouse, you want to make sure that if you're divorced or you filed for divorce, that you still qualify. Because if you leave the country and you're barred from re-entry, then you may not be allowed to re-enter if that basis for your green card is no longer valid. Okay, so that means your spousal green card, that petition, if it's no longer valid, then I wouldn't recommend going outside the US if you're barred from re-entry. Call us if we can help you. You may be able to, even with divorce, you may be eligible to do something like VAWA if you qualify, right? So if you lived with your spouse, if your spouse was abusive in the marriage, that could be verbal abuse, psychological abuse, mental abuse, financial abuse. There's many different forms of abuse, right? So you don't always think that it's physical. It could be something else. We have had VAWA approvals, oh my gosh, with just emotional abuse. So if you were married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, you lived with them, and there was some kind of abuse in the marriage, you may be eligible for VAWA. So you want to call us to see if you're eligible, so you don't have to leave the country to process that green card application, and you can do it alone without the help of your spouse. It might be a huge benefit for you to finally get permanent residency here in the U.S., okay? You can reach us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663.